Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can double your Kartra trial from 14 days all the way up to 30. So that's right, yes, completely double your Kartra trial. Now, this is a trick that we like to show our clients so that they can get the most out of their new funnel building account. So if you are looking to get started with Kartra, then this video is very much for you. If not, then skip away or click off. This video is probably not for you. If you already have an account, then it's not really relevant for you. But this sneaky little trick that we like to use is brilliant because these days, let's face it, it takes you 14 days just to work out if a software is right for you in the first place. So with 30 days, you can really come to grips with it. You can build your funnel, get things set up, get live, and find out if it's the right combination for you. Now, what I've done is I've created an entire article taking you through the 3 main steps that you need to work your way through. I will put a link on this page or on this video or just below the video in the description so that you can go through and you can start reading that yourself and follow the sequence perfectly. But I will also go through it in this video now, but there is one thing that you need to be doing, and that's you need to be on a desktop computer. So you need to make sure you're on a desktop computer, otherwise this strategy will not work and you will see, well, you just won't see anything. You won't be able to do this strategy. So if you're on a mobile device now, then you need to switch across to your computer. Otherwise, again, the reason I put that article on this video or just below it is so you can save that URL and you can go and do this on your computer right now. Okay, with that said, either I'll see you in that article and you can go through the steps in detail. Make sure you follow everything step by step, because if you don't do this in sequence, it does not work. It is there to make sure they are capturing people that are really, really interested. So I'm going to show you what you need to do right now. Okay, so either I'll see you in that article, otherwise let's jump onto my computer now and I'll go through things step by step with you. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here we are on my computer, and the steps to do this, as I said, are really, really simple. It's just important that you do them in the right order. Now, I will put a link directly to the page that you need to do in the steps that we're going to get to in just a moment. I'll put a link to that in the description of this video, just below this YouTube video. But otherwise, you can click through and go to the article itself, which will take you through the details step by step. So the important thing is that you click that link in the description of the video, or you go through this one here on this actual landing page here. Now, what this does is it takes you to a home page, which is similar to the home page, but it's not quite the same. So when you come through, there is something that is different about this page, and what happens is it triggers a sequence of events. So what you do is come to this page, scroll down, click on Start Your Trial. And remember, you need to be on a desktop computer. If you are not on a desktop computer, then obviously you're not going to see the exit pop that I'm about to show you. So wait for the page to fully load. So this is taking just a moment because I'm recording my screen at the same time. But when the page is fully loaded, go to exit. So go out and then you will see this right here. Once you see that, you just click double my trial and then that automatically takes you through the sequence of giving you 30 days instead of 14 days. And that's it. It's really, really easy, but you need to go through that link. Yes, it's an affiliate link. I will get some commissions at no extra cost to you if you do buy through it. But what you need to know is that this only seems to work with an affiliate link. So it doesn't seem to work if you go through any other page. So if I was to go back to Kartra homepage itself, and then I was to go directly to the pricing page, or even with the Get Started part here. Then when I come up to the top, you see another pop, and guess what? It's just saying 14 days. So if you don't go through the link in the sequence that I've just shown you, it will not work. And I do not know how long this will work for. As I said, this is just a sneaky trick. So disclaimer, if you've gone on there, you follow the sequence, and by all means, ask in the comments if you do have a problem, and I'm happy to help. But if you do not see that double your trial pop-up, similar to this, but the one you just saw a moment ago, that says double your trial from 14 days to 30 days, then you've either done something wrong or perhaps they've stopped doing it. But I will keep checking this and updating that article, so you can go through to the article, I'll link below, and if they do stop doing this, I'll put a notice on that page so you know that it's no longer possible to get the 30-day trial. But as long as this has been going on for quite some time, as I said, we keep recommending to our clients that sign up for new Kartra accounts if they're using that tool and they want to use that tool, and that way they can get a lot more time to work through building things. Obviously, we do a lot of the work for them, but we do like to do stuff with them so they actually have the time to grow and they're not spending needless money. And as we all want to save money at this moment in time, I figured you would like this video, you would get a lot out of it, and you'd be able to double your trial, saving an extra 16 days, I think it is. So it's more than doubling your trial to be able to make sure you can get the very, very most out of your Kartra membership. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like more tips and tricks on anything from marketing to YouTube to growing your business with marketing funnels, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and ping the notification bell so you get notifications each and every time we create a new video. All right, I'll see you in the next video.